Telegram CEO Pavel Durov has been arrested in France. Bitcoin is making a strong comeback before the month end, and these AI altcoins are rallying ahead of a key event this week. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, it's not financial advice. We wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin heads into the August monthly close with a welcome recovery as Bitcoin price action targets $65,000. The largest cryptocurrency has delivered a remarkable show of strength over the past week, and traders hope that good times will continue. A sideways weekend aside, Bitcoin is cementing its gains, is now up an impressive 30% from the month's lows of 49,500. Thus, the coming monthly candle close should provide an interesting trading environment as anticipation grows over breakout from nearly a half a year long consolidation phase. Can Bitcoin finally retackle all-time highs? Month to date, Bitcoin is now almost back at its starting position, but plain and volatility catalysts await. Trader Dan Crypto Trade shared Bitcoin fought its way back to an almost break-even August. At some point this month, Bitcoin was down 24%, so this has been quite a recovery in just a few weeks. Now let's see if there's also fuel to actually push higher for a change. In another post, he added, it's been close to 6 months of consolidation at the previous cycle high. This is by far the longest time it took to break a previous all-time high. It was also the quickest price has made a new all-time high in a cycle before the halving. It all balances out. The Fed's preferred inflation metric forms one of the week's macroeconomic data highlights as markets become more confident over financial policy easing. The July print of the Personal Consumption Expenditures, or PCE Index, is due on August 30th, a day after the U.S. second quarter gross domestic product data. Both will follow a key earnings report from Nvidia, an event that has become a yardstick for tech industry health this year. The PCE comes at a time when the markets have baked in a 100% odds of an interest rate cut in mid-September, while also giving an increased chance that the cut may be more than the minimum 25 basis points. The latest data from CME Group's FedWatch tool puts the odds of a 25 basis point and a 50 basis point cut at 61.5% and 38.5%. Artificial intelligence crypto tokens have surged over the past week ahead of a highly anticipated second quarter earnings report from tech giant Nvidia. AI-focused tokens such as Near Protocol, FET, BitTensor, and Render have seen gains outpace the broader crypto market over the past week. The surge in AI-related assets comes as the markets prepare for one of the year's most significant tech firm earning reports. On Wednesday, August 28th, Nvidia will release its Q2 results. One of Wall Street's most influential tech bulls, Wedbush Securities' Dan Ives, says that this is the most important tech earnings in years. He said he believes the new tech bull market is driven by demand for the new data center capacity, which is needed to power the plethora of AI chatbots that have emerged in recent years. There's one company in the world that's the foundation for the AI revolution, and that's Nvidia. Mike Smith, a portfolio manager at Allspring Global Investments, said Nvidia is the zeitgeist stock today. You can think of their earnings 4 times a year as the Super Bowl. Nvidia's revenue jumped 18% between Q3 2023 and Q1 2024, and has surged 262% in the past year. Its stock has recovered 30% since the market dump in August and traded at just under $130 at the close of markets on Friday. Toncoin, the native cryptocurrency of the Open Network, previously linked to Telegram, has seen huge selling pressure following Telegram founder Pavel Durov's arrest in France on Saturday. In the last 48 hours, the Toncoin price has come crashing down by 17%, slipping to the 9th spot under Dogecoin. Pavel Durov was arrested around 8 p.m. on Saturday as he arrived in France. The warrant was reportedly issued as part of an ongoing investigation into Durov's alleged involvement in criminal activities linked to the operations of his platform Telegram. The charges are serious, encompassing a range of offenses from terrorism and narcotics trafficking to fraud and the distribution of legal content, including material related to child exploitation. As a result, he is expected to face an investigating judge, potentially leading to an indictment on multiple counts. In addition, authorities have expressed concerns about Durov's potential flight risk, given his substantial financial resources and the gravity of the charges against him. Subsequently, the investigation reportedly centers around the lack of moderation on Telegram and the platform's perceived role in facilitating various legal activities. This arrest, as a result, is seen as part of a broader effort by European authorities to crack down on secure messaging services that they believe are being used to facilitate criminal activities. Telegram has hit back against the stunning arrest of its CEO and founder, claiming he has nothing to hide in a statement posted on the messaging platform's official news channel. It said on Sunday Telegram abides by the EU laws, including the Digital Services Act. Its moderation is within industry standards and constantly improving. It said almost 1 billion global users regularly use Telegram as a means of communication and as a vital source of information. In the wake of Durov's arrest, Toncoin has experienced a significant price drop. At the time of writing, the crypto was down over 17%, trading at $5.62. Toncoin is closely associated with the Telegram ecosystem and the legal troubles facing his founder have clearly rattled investor confidence. Banana, a Ton-based game, has officially hit 5 million users, thus becoming one of the fastest growing games in the Ton ecosystem. Backed by Carve, a modular data layer for gaming and AI, Banana reached its first major milestone of 1 million users within the first 72 hours of its launch. To date, Banana counts more than 1 million daily active users, 1.4 million connected social accounts, and 45 million in-game tasks completed. In Banana, players dive into a world of collecting bananas, each with unique attributes and rarities. By clicking on these bananas, players earn points or peels and have the chance to trade them in for rewards, including USDT, with prizes reaching up to 500 USDT. This engaging system ensures players stay invested in the game, and the core Banana's appeal lies in the Carve protocol, a groundbreaking data layer that gives users control over their in-game data. Through Carve, players can own, control, and even monetize their data, allowing them to directly benefit from their participation in the game. Banana's success highlights the broader growth of games on Ton. Other games like Hamster Combat and Knotcoin have also gained millions of users through Telegram, underscoring Ton's potential for mass adoption of decentralized applications. Ton Keeper, a non-custodial wallet provider for the Ton blockchain, has introduced the Signer application, a new security tool designed to protect users' crypto assets. The launch of the new Ton app aims to address significant risks associated with private key management, which has been extensively discussed in light of recent hacks. By securely storing and operating private keys through the Signer app, Ton Keeper aims to help mitigate the risk of exploits seen in hacks like the $5 million Li-Fi drain. Daniel Kari, Chief Strategy Officer at Ton Keeper, explained that app users will have an extra layer of security to help protect against theft, scams, or mistaken transactions. Kari explained that since private keys are encrypted in Signer and held outside the wallet, funds are significantly more difficult to steal. He said, "We don't want our new entrants or power users, anyone really, to fall victim to scams or private key accidents that happened to a lot of us early adopters."